Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Third Love bra reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So you can see it is an online laundry shop which is based in United States that deals with different kinds of bras, sets and underwears. And you can take a look here. They're also offering the women's clothing options including t-shirts. And you can also get the helping chart, sizing help on this website. At the bottom of the webpage you will get the various options. Now guys, talking about the price, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, and let's take a look at the payment information of the site. So you can see they have not provided the exact payment information, but yes, you can make the payment via online. And talking about the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping policy section. So let's take a look at the entire shipping policy information. So you need to click this option to know more about delivery times, guys. And here they have mentioned a shipping column including the delivery time and shipping cost for different countries. According to that, it will take around 3 to 10 business days for orders over $500 and will be sent via FedEx Ground. And for other, the shipping cost will be $11.99, and guys, $5.99 are free when you buy $75 or more. Rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience, guys, because there are different kinds of delivery time columns, and it will take around 2 to 3 weeks for delivery to Canada, including taxes and duties are paid at time of checkout. So this is the shipping policy page. You can view and you can read the entire information for your knowledge, guys. Now let's take a look at the other information. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Apart from that, the site has an SSL certificate that makes the site secure to access, which is a positive sign. And talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 3rd of September 2011. This means that this particular site is more than 9 years old and it defines its legitimacy, guys. Now coming to the About Us page, you will get Our Story, Careers options at the menu option button, and they have provided the entire information related to business offering, brand connection info, etc. So this is a positive sign here. Now coming to the contact details of the site, you need to check the contact details. So here you will get that they have provided the contact number and email option, which is a positive sign, but they do not have provided they didn't provided the official address, guys, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, you can also click the help center option to know more about the contact details. So here they have mentioned the live chat option. If you want to connect with the customers representatives of this website, then you can connect with them via live chat. And here you will get the various options, guys. Here you can also find the payment options. So guys, the payment options are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, PayPal, Amazon Pay and Apple Pay. So these are the payments, as I have already told you about, that you can make the payment via online modes of payment. Now coming to the other information, let's talk about the social media presence. So yes, the site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. Yes guys, the site has thousands of followers on the social media platforms, including 328K followers on Instagram and thousands of followers on Twitter and Facebook. So this is a positive sign here. Now talking about the return policy, you need to visit the return policy section. So let's check out the return policy. For that, guys, you need to visit the exchange and return policy section, and here you will get the information related to return and refund policy. So you can see they have mentioned 60 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Third Love Bra reviews, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet and on the official or social media platforms. So guys, this is a positive sign here, and majority of the reviews are positive. So it's totally up to you. You can take a look at the entire reviews to know more about the legitimacy of the site and products. So let me show you the customer reviews. Guys, this site is popular as the trust index score of the site is 59%, which is really very good. And the positive customer reviews makes the site a legit, guys. So here are the customer reviews and 4.3 star rating out of 5, and we have also found 4.4 rating out of 5 on other platforms. So these are the positive reviews. One of the customers said comfortable and supportive, absolutely love the way this bra fits and supports. However, we have found a few negative comments, and most few customers are not satisfied with the shipping, delivery, guys, and with the customer service. So it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision and you can give it a try, as well as this site is a purely legit website. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you, guys.